Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Happy Match Cafe application on your PC. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser and go to bluestacks.com and search. From the main homepage, look for the BlueStacks versions that is suitable for you on your device. Since we are going to download the application on PC, let's go ahead and select one of the 4 Windows links for the available BlueStacks version. Go ahead and download one of the links, and then once you've installed BlueStacks Android emulator, launch the app open. Soon after you open up the BlueStacks Android emulator, click on this app player option. Now you'll also need to log in using your Google account. Make sure to enter your Google account's email and password, and it'll take you to this page from where you can search for applications available on your Google Play Store and download it for your PC. In the search box, type in Happy Match Cafe and look for this application in the search result. Now, once you come across this interface, click on Install and wait for the application to download and install on your PC. Soon after the app is downloaded, you will be able to find the application inside your BlueStacks home screen. That is how you can easily get Happy Match Cafe on your PC in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.